today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all events from your Google Calendar. This process is relatively straightforward, so let's dive in and go through the steps together to ensure you know exactly what to do. To begin with, you'll need to access your Google Calendar. Once you're there, take a look at the panel on the left side of your screen. You should see a list of your calendars. Find the specific calendar from which you want to delete all events. Right next to this calendar's name, there are 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This will open up a small menu. From this, select Settings and Sharing. It's important to make sure you're in the correct settings menu, as Google Calendar gives you a range of customization options here. Once you've clicked on Settings and Sharing, a new page will appear. In this page, look to the left-hand sidebar for an option labeled Remove Calendar. This section allows you to manage and delete the calendar, so proceed with caution to ensure you're acting on the correct one. When you click on Remove Calendar, you will see some text that informs you what's about to happen. It clearly states that all events in this calendar will be deleted. Additionally, if any of these events have guests, these events will also be removed from their calendars. It's crucial to be aware of these details, especially if you're coordinating events with others, as this action cannot be undone for them either. Now, if you're confident and ready to move forward, look for the option to Delete. Click on it. Google will prompt you one more time to confirm your decision by asking you to click on Permanently Delete. This step ensures that you're fully prepared for the finality of this action. Deleting a calendar and its events is irreversible, so take a moment to double-check that this is indeed what you want to do. In this particular case, I'm not going to follow through with the deletion because I don't want to erase my entire calendar. But if you're ready to proceed, simply confirm the action. And just like that, you've successfully deleted all events from your Google Calendar. I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional help.